I will design two unique professional business logos. Hi, welcome my friend. About this gig, we are a Europe-based group of professionals and innovative graphic designers, providing logos and complete brand identity for the last 8 years. We make professional, unique, and exclusive logos using attractive colors, excellent creative skills, and awesome imagination to match your requirement. These gigs include fast response time for your logo design, top-notch quality and 100% satisfaction guaranteed, total different sets of variations so you can choose from multiple different options, express 24 hours delivery, unlimited revisions. All logo design will be created from the requirements of the company model and selective color choices based on the business, vector-based, and high-quality design. We also design web banners, Facebook fan page, business cards, letterhead cover, box design, and icons. Let me know if I can help you out in this. Looking forward to assist you with our services. If you have any confusion or doubt or anything, please ask me. I will respond to you as soon as possible. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.